Hello again. In this video, you will learn how to find and correct errors in calculations. Including calculations in a worksheet gives you valuable answers to questions about your data. As is always true, however, it is possible for errors to creep into your formulas with Excel. You can find the source of errors in your formulas by identifying the cells used in a particular calculations and describe any errors that have occurred. The process of examining a worksheet for errors is referred to as auditing. Excel identifies error in several ways. The first way is to display an error code in the cell holding the formula that is generating the error. When a cell is erroneous in the active cell, an error button is displayed. Let's see how we can correct errors in Excel 2013. To start with, select maybe D13, then go to formulas and editing, formula editing, click wash. With the watch window, add a new watch and select the set that you would like to watch the value of. Now let's cancel this and go to, I think I prefer the C13, and then I'm going to select this C13 and click OK. Next, move to the next thing we're going to do is to add everything here. Click this add sum to have the sum here. Now we are watching the error if there is any error here for watch window. Now the next thing we're going to do here is to select the C13 and look for trace precedent. Here if I click this will tell you, the trace precedence will tell you that this addition of this to this gives this. The place descent button displays the blue arrow that begins at the C6 and point to the C13, indicating that the cell is in the range of C3, C6 to C12. And provide the formula here as sum is equal to this, and the value, the cell, the name. You can give the cell name and not more. To remove the arrow, you can click the remove arrow to remove the arrow, or you leave it the way it is if you like. Next, you can click D6 and look for error checking. The error check is completed for this entire sheet. Select the A1 and you can select the A1 here, and the formula check. On the formula, click the error checking to check error occur when using formulas. There is no error occurs now. Now let's introduce errors here. From here, we want to add, we write something here and press enter. If we select this and check for errors, now we have error in D6, which is this invalid name error. The formula contains unrecognized error. So that's how to check for errors in your program. You can click next to check more error completed and the entire stuff. So that's how to check for errors in your program. You can do that. You can undo this and save your settings. Ctrl Shift Enter to have the array list. Also here, let me add that to our watch. Click on add. Here we want the addition of this divided by this. To do that, we go back to our formula bar and type equals d7 divided by d6. Press enter. Now select the value and go to formula auditing, then click evaluate formula. Now array formula is this. To show the result of the underlying results, click evaluate. Now here we can actually check, you can step into the code and see how it goes. Array formula, this is equal to 2, 1, step out, this divided by, step in again, 6. Array formula, this 6 is this, step in, which is 10%, step out. So you can evaluate your formula the way it works here. Then when you are through, you can evaluate it, and that's your final answer. Click close to evaluate your answer. If you have any if you make mistake here, you can easily trace your mistake using array checking, evaluate, and we trace or remove, trace dependent, trace precedent, and lots more.